Hi, welcome to new 1 Buck 1 recipe. Ingredients: 2 potatoes, olive oil, salt, Provence herbs. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, wash and dry the potatoes, then cut them into quarters. In a bowl, mix the potato quarters with olive oil, salt, and herbes de Provence. Lay the potatoes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, making sure they don't overlap. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, until the potatoes are golden and crispy. Serve hot. Feel free to adjust these recipes based on your tastes and what you have on hand. Bon appétit! If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.